Hello everyone. So in this first lessons about properties, we're gonna be seeing store property. And what it is a store property? Well, a store property is nothing more than a placeholder for us to store a value that we are gonna need to use after. So it can be a constant value when we use let, or it can be a variable value when we use the word var. So when we have a class, structure, enum, and we declare something as a var or as a let, that is a store property. So let's see an example here. So here I have an struct. It's a person. And this has three store properties. One is first name, that is a string. Another one is last name, that is also a string. And the other one is a nickname, that is also a string. And you can see the two first ones, they are declared as a let. That means this person can never change its first name and its last name. Because it makes no sense for one person to change its first name and its last name. You cannot change your first name and your last name. However, you can change your nickname. So your nickname is a var, because it can be changed. Structs give us nice initializers. So when we declare a person, a struct creates an initializer for us where we can pass the values from our store properties. So you can see here I am declaring a person, give us the first name as Ícaro, the last name as Lavrador, and the nickname as a structor. Then when I call person.nickname, you can see on the corner it says structor. Then I'm changing the value of structor to Swift structor. And then when I'm asking again the new person.nickname, it gives me Swift structure. So that's what store properties are. Now let's go and have a look on some example and let's explore a little bit more store properties. So I have here, and I already have the code on, so I don't have to. You don't have to watch me type, and I will put the code on as well for you. So you can download the code for each lesson. I'll put a zip file with all the codes, and I also put all the individual codes, so it's up to you what you prefer. So here let's explore a little bit and see. We have the structure again, and we have the person, and if I just hit enter and let it run, we have exactly the same result here. So what I want to show to you is, if I try to change the nickname here, and I try to change my first name, and say, well, my name is not Ícaro anymore, my name now is Hero. Yeah, I'm Hero. And you're going to say that Swift is going to complain, and say you have to change let to var to make it mutable. So it's saying that, see, it's even grayed out here telling me this has to be var, but it's not the case. I just want to show you the difference. So we want this to be nickname, and it'll work fine as a structure. Also, I want to show you this var person. It's a var because we are changing the nickname. If I would go and declare this as a let, it worked fine until I try to change the person, my nickname. If I didn't have any reason to change my nickname, I could declare the new person as an instructor. And because my store property would always be the same instructor value, then this doesn't need to be a var, it could always be a let. So this is what I want to show you on this class. It's a very simple class, however, it's the base for everything we're gonna be seeing on this course. So it's very important that you understand this very well. So if you have any questions about anything I explain on this lesson, please let me know. Put on the Discord board and we can have a chat about it. On the next class, we're gonna be seeing lazy stored properties. That is very cool and very important as well for a good application. So I'll see you in the next class and have fun.